The internet lied about these fashion trends. They look powerful online, but in real life, they erase women like us. I don't review trends. I test what fashion assumes about Latina bodies and who it quietly excludes. Because when a fashionable Latina walks into the wrong outfit, the silence, the looks, the discomfort, that's not random. That's the rule being enforced. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 runway trends the internet pushed the hardest, what they promise, who they actually work for, and why I'm officially ditching them for 2026. And one of them is still being sold as timeless, even though it punishes confidence in real life. Trend number 1, extreme sheer nude dressing. At Paris Fashion Week Spring-Summer 26, houses like Schiaparelli pushed transparency to runway extremes. Sheer gowns designed for theatrical lighting, not real life. The internet told us sheer equals confidence, that exposure is power. But here's the lie. In real life, sheer doesn't read intentional. It reads unfinished. The unspoken rule here is that confidence is only acceptable when it's thin, quiet, and controlled. Latina women are already hyper-visible before we even speak. So when we wear sheer, it's not read as editorial. It's read as too much. The same dress that's praised as art on one body gets judged as attention-seeking on ours. If an outfit only works under studio lights, it's not fashion. It's a photo shoot. And the next trend pretends to be elegant while quietly erasing. Trend number 2, boxy shapeless. Runways like Comme des Garçons intentionally erase the body, and that's art. The lie starts when the internet extracts that idea and sells body erasure as good taste for everyday women. This trend assumes your body needs to disappear before your style is respected. On curvier, expressive bodies, this doesn't look elevated. It looks like you vanished. And when you don't flatten yourself correctly, you're no longer elegant. You're trying too hard. Now let's talk about the trend that's sold as effortless, but collapses the moment you move. Trend number 3, micro layering, overstyled looks. At Spring-Summer 2026, runways in Paris and Milan, designers like Prada, Missoni, and Marco Rambaldi stacked light, intricate layers, buttoned-ups over lace, cardigans over breezy tops, creating looks that need stylists to assemble, not real life to wear. The internet says, just throw it on. That's a lie. This trend only works when you're being watched. Latinas move. We walk fast. We gesture. We're animated. We dance. We live. So when an outfit requires constant adjustment, it trains you to self-monitor, to shrink and apologize. If it falls apart when you sit down, it was never meant for real women. And then there's a trend they keep bringing back, even though it stresses everyone out. Trend number 4, low-rise, low-slung bottoms. At Paris Fashion Week Spring-Summer 2026, Alexander McQueen brought back low-slung, hip-drop silhouettes straight from the runway. And this is where the internet stretched the truth. They keep telling us this is hot, youthful, bold. But here's the truth. This trend rewards bodies that take up less space. It assumes your body should flatten, behave, and stay contained. A trend that needs constant adjustment, again, is not confidence. It's anxiety. If you can't breathe, sit, or relax, it's not style, it's stress. And the last one is the most dangerous one of them all. Trend number 5, head-to-toe neutral uniforms. On runways like Yohei Yamamoto, head-to-toe neutral uniforms are used to intentionally erase the body. That's art. But when the internet repackages this as timeless elegance, that's where women disappear. The internet sold this as expensive, safe, the right way to look. But here's what it actually does. Neutral doesn't mean universal. It means selective. On women with strong features, rich coloring, and presence, this doesn't read luxury. It reads invisible. Fashion keeps asking us to disappear and calling it elegance. If a trend only looks expensive when you erase yourself, it was never made for you. But here's the truth that no one says out loud. If a trend makes you feel smaller, quieter, or watched, it's not fashion. It's control. If this gave you relief or clarity, you're exactly who I made these videos for. Subscribe, because fashion should work for us, not against us.